Yo, what's McCrack-a-lackin'? We're back. It's been a minute. It's cold. We're out here. I got so many layers on. We're gonna have a little ride today, though. Don't know if we'll go too far, but it's been a minute. Hasn't made a video, so let's go make a video, huh? Making video. Man, I'm rusty on the old wheelies. Ah, I'm almost out of gas too. What the heck? Sorry, I got a freaking face mask over. Alright, anyways, if that was all muffled, we're back out on the Grom. We're gonna go see what we can see today. Don't really have any plan. I do need to go to AutoZone. I need to get a bolt. I'm trying to install an integrated tail light on my sister's bike to make it a little more not look as dumb with that stupid fender eliminator. So I gotta go get some new bolts for that, because the bolts that came with are too short for some reason. Freaking stupid. And yeah, that's about all. Look at the puppies. Aww. They had little jackets on. Alright, anyways. Yeah, it's been a couple of months. It's been really cold in Utah. Even today it's like 30 degrees, but I just said, you know what? Let's just send her, bud. We're just gonna freaking send her. I don't remember a hill being here. Maybe I'm just not that observant. Anyways. Yeah, there was not a hill here. What happened? I must be digging something. So I got my new clutch springs. Shoot, I don't even remember. The fuel, I can't think of what it's called. The thing so your oil or your engine gets oil when you're in a wheelie, or I forgot what it's called. Anyways, it's from Straight Up Industries. Got those. I need to install those soon, but yeah, she's coming along. The next thing I'll do is a handbrake, so I can use my the back pegs. Use standing wheelies. But yeah, the little stunt Grom's coming along. Let's just fucking send her. Ooh, it's been a while. It feels good. Feels good. Back on the ground. Trying not to overstay my welcome here. I think to overstay your welcome, though, you have to be welcome in the first place, right? Been a minute. Leave me comments. Let me know how everyone's doing. Can't even remember last time I posted a video. Anyone who's following me on TikTok knows I've been posting a lot on there, but a lot of like video game stuff. Not as much bike stuff in the winter. It's been too freaking cold. Woo! I need to get my other gloves on. Hold on, let me pull over up here. I got my turn signal on. Freaking noob. Gosh. Don't drive the Grom in a minute and you forget how everything works. You forget to turn off the fucking turn signal, bud. Alright, pitter patter, let's get at her. And my hands are getting cold. Getting cold, getting cold. My hands are getting cold. Getting cold, getting cold, getting cold. We will turn right here real quick and then we'll put on gloves. Original song, McCrack-a-lackin'. The next great MC. So when he starts with MC, I knew I was gonna be a music creator. Okay. Cut this part out. We're adding some cool video or some cool music in with it. Woo, okay. Should probably go to AutoZone before I get frozen. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, rock. You guys ever play Ghost in the Graveyard? That game was the jam, dude. And if you didn't play Ghost in the Graveyard, you didn't have a childhood. Night games, kick the can, all that good stuff, you know, capture the flag. Come on. Everyone's played those games. Those are classics. I don't know if kids these days are playing games like that. They're probably just playing Fortnite. They probably have like a kick the can in Fortnite, don't they, that I don't know about. Stupid Fortnite. Play Warzone like a real man. Boom. Alright, we're stopping at AutoZone getting my parts, so I'll probably just end it there. Nothing too crazy today, just a little video to get back out on the bike. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace out. Cross the road, don't get hit by a car, it's very dangerous.